Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul.
I'm Lizzie.
We're in the Ningaloo this week.
Caragini.
No, this is for Ningaloo.
I'm sorry.
Yes, the intro is for the Ningaloo, but we're a week out as we record this intro. We're in Tom Price near the Caragini National Park, where we'll be in the video after this one. In this video, we do some Ningaloo classics for people that don't own a boat and are not fishers. Namely, we snorkel with whale sharks and can't exaggerate how awesome this is to snorkel next to an 8-meter long harmless fish. We also snorkel at some of the key reefs along the Ningaloo coast, seeing turtles, and visit Yardie Creek, not once but twice, both for the boat cruise and for the clifftop walk, combining our two experiences into one beautiful video segment. Come along and join us for the non-boat owner's view of the Ningaloo. We're on the water again, whale shark tour.
Wonderful day, so very high expectations.
And how good is this cruise? 3 islands with whom we signed up for the cruise picked us up at Yardie Homestead, our campsite, and delivered us to the Tantabiddi boat ramp from where all the cruises leave. Our crew consisted of Jerry, the skipper, Seth, the 2IC and rib driver, assuring water safety, Hannah and Jess, our in-water guides and stewards, as well as Molly, the photographer who we'd met previously at Seal Bay on Kangaroo Island and who provided many memories of this trip and has agreed for us to use them in the video, all with the 3 Islands watermark. Thank you. The team was simply awesome, providing all the explanations and directions we needed and ensuring that we were safe at all times. So this is the test snorkel for us on Eldorado Reef. Palpable excitement here.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover, it was never built to last.
That was just absolutely awesome. I've never seen anything like it.
It's one way or the other, no way in between. I ain't getting any younger. You was there for your dream. You were true.
We got 5 dives with a whale shark and 2 longer snorkels. By the end of the day, we were completely exhausted, but so excited to have had the experience. Snorkeling with whale sharks is a full day experience, fully catered with pickup from our campsite. The cost was $620 per person, which is not cheap, but we felt it was well worth the expense. It's definitely a bucket list item for us. Just before the next segment, YouTube tells us that many of you are watching us on a TV, and on a TV it's difficult to subscribe, like and comment. And so to make that easy for you, I'm providing you with a QR code here that you just have to scan with your phone. You'll be taken to our channel and you'll be able to do all that. Good morning. We're at Osprey Bay and we're going to try and find some turtles in the water. We're at Oyster Stacks now, and apparently this is some of the best snorkeling, judging by the number of people it probably is. And I'm exceptionally wearing a wetsuit because I froze on the last one. This is pretty nice, probably some of the nicest we've had. There's fish everywhere, just saw a little ray. So we'll see how we go. I like it though. Oh,
That was awesome.
pretty good, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's the best snorkeling so far, I'd say.
We spoiled for all the other
Yeah,
beaches.
we are. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're doing the Yardie Creek Boat Cruise today. It already looks lovely, looking at the background there, so I think I'm looking forward to this.
Yeah.
Here we are talking about the Yardie Creek Boat Cruise. A few days later, we did the Yardie Creek Gorge rim track walk, and were able to combine our video footage from both into a single story. The boat cruise costs $70 per person, but thanks to the current WA government subsidy, we paid half, a well-spent expense. Mikali, the owner, gives a running commentary about the creek, the black-flanked rock wallabies, and the First Nations stories about the creek. Lizzie's not feeling that great, so I'm going to do one last snorkel at Turquoise Bay. So this is probably the last snorkel for quite a time, since we go inland after this towards Tom Price, Carragini and so on. So let's hope it's a good one. Pretty sticky place, Turquoise Bay. There's a reef just out there, so I'm gonna go and give that a shot. I'm just walking down because apparently it's a drift snorkel. Okay, let's go. Really milky in there, so you can't really see very much, unfortunately. So far, not much. That's it for the snorkeling, probably for the rest of the trip, at least. Well, maybe when we get to Queensland we'll be able to snorkel a little bit, but look, a few rays, bits and pieces, better than sitting in the car. We'll close our Ningaloo video here. We spent 2 weeks and we loved it. Do please give us a like and a comment. We reply to all comments. Interaction is much appreciated. Subscribe to the channel to keep in touch and be notified when we publish a new video. Next week, we're in Carragini in the red dirt and admiring the gorges. See you then!